Hi guys, it is time for another Temu haul. This is not craft related. This is like hot products right now on Temu. I picked out a couple of things. So it was kind of a random assortment. So we'll get right into it. Like featured items, and all the links for everything will be down below. But this is a sponsored haul. I did pick these items. They did send them to me. So do be mindful of that. Anyone want to guess what this one is? It's a popular dude. So I'm going to start with this bag. And I only got a handful of items. 6, to be exact. So, I'll go through the smaller stuff first. So, I did get another one of these crystal hair removers. I've been kind of putting them everywhere. I'm actually thinking about keeping one in my work bag, because sometimes you're at work and you realize you missed a spot. But all of these that I've ordered so far, and this might be my 4th one, have worked. They're all slightly different, but they all have worked. You just rub them on your skin, and it kind of exfoliates while it removes the hair. So, I think they're pretty cool. And then you just rinse it off when you're done. Make sure you put lotion on after. But that is that. I got this Naked 12 color eyeshadow palette. I very rarely wear makeup, but oh, the crystal hair remover was $1.29. This eyeshadow palette is $4.59. So let's open this up. I think I picked one that was like pretty neutral, but I could be wrong. Who knows? Yes, I did. So this is the palette. And there's a mirror up there. So fairly neutral. Not bad. Not a bad assortment at all. So that was that. And then I got another set of the wireless earbuds. This set was $5.29. The other sets that I ordered have been working great. This one's a little bit more compact. But I wanted another set, one to leave at home and one to keep in my work bag. So it comes with a short charger. I generally just use my phone chargers because they're already plugged in everywhere. But I went with pink in this little set. So I will pair them to my phone and test them out. So that was that. Let's see. I'm going to open this bag because I'm either missing an item. Yep. Okay. So I do believe I'm missing an item. And I don't think it's shipped behind, which that's a first. So I'll have to notify them. But there was supposed to be a makeup brush set in here, and that I'm not seeing. So I'll double check that it's actually shipped and not coming in a different order. Not the end of the world. The makeup brush set was $2.59. So I ordered this hair straightener brush. I very rarely do anything with my hair, but I figured I would try it out. We only have standard hair straighteners in my household, so I was intrigued by the brush because it seems like that might be quicker and easier, especially for somebody whose hair is mostly straight to begin with. And this was $12.39. But seems pretty standard. I think this was like the emerald green color. I'm fairly certain there were other color options, but color didn't much matter to me. But it's a weird, like, I mean, it actually feels pretty good going through my hair, so. Can you see my hair sparkle? My grays are coming in completely silver. So it's got the power button and the up and down, so I'm assuming the heat is adjustable. And I don't know, maybe I'll bring it in the bathroom and try it out. We'll see. We'll see. So my last item was $14.69, and this is a 40-ounce dupe. Absolutely a dupe. But I figured I'd get one since they were giving me the option. I see some really pretty ombre ones too. I might order another one at some point in another haul. But, you know, this Stanley dupe. But with a much less price. It has a very long straw to go in it. And I haven't decided if I'm going to customize this one for myself or not. I don't generally like massive cups. This doesn't actually have a closure. I'm not sure if it'll spin or not. Oh, yes it will. It spins, so if you want the regular drinking side, you have that option. And then one more spin, and it is closed. So, all right. But I went with, I don't know what color they called this, but it's kind of like a lake green type color. So, and it is a twist-on lid. So, it's massive. But I may sand it down and decorate it and epoxy it. My turners don't really like heavy stuff, so I don't know. But I will definitely take the handle off if I do. And if I do customize it, I will post that as its own video. So, but it'd look pretty cute with turtles, like as this base color. So I'd probably lightly sand it and clear coat it before I started. But that was it. These are trendy items right now from Temu. I don't usually do trendy stuff, but they were letting me pick products, so I figured, why not? So I was going to take this in the bathroom and test it, but I can't get a camera setup that works. I tried, but I give up. But the handle does say off when it's plugged in, but not on. Simple power button. And it starts with 185 degrees. It says Celsius, but I don't know. I don't know if I believe that or not. I don't know. It goes up to 230, which, what's that in Fahrenheit? I don't know. But that's the highest setting. I'm going to bring it back to 200 and see if it warms up. Okay, so I turned up the temperature in my little bit of reading to test this, but these little lights flash. They flash, and when they come up to temp, they stop flashing. So it is supposedly up to temp, and it says just to comb it through dry hair slowly. I mean, hopefully I don't burn all my hair off. I don't usually heat treat my hair, so we're just going to use it on this side and see what we get. And I didn't pre-brush my hair, so I might hit a few snarls. My hair's so long that in this angle, I can't even get to the bottom on camera. Sorry about that. And it does have tips for, you know, if you want to make the ends curl under or whatever. I don't particularly want my ends to curl under or out. Or if you have bangs, you want to floof and whatnot. It's not really burning off my hair or pulling too many out. No more than a normal brushing, so that's a bonus. And I could probably be working in smaller sections, but I just want to see for a quick job how it would work. Because with a typical hair straightener, hair this long takes forever. Who knows, maybe we'll get one of those knockoff beach wavers to try at some point. Although I feel like with hair as long as mine, that would be an absolute nightmare. It feels nice. I really need to trim my hair. I'm getting split ends. I don't go to a hair salon. I trim my hair myself. I don't like people in my personal space. It's one of my quirks. I can tell you the number of times I've been to a hair salon, probably in my entire lifetime, on one hand. But that's all I feel like doing right now. So this is normal, and this is pretty straight. It needs a little oil to slick it down. But yeah, I'm gonna say that this hair straightener comb works pretty well. I mean, obviously I didn't put a lot of time into that. So when you're done, you push your power button, it'll say off again, and unplug it. And the back is warm, but it's not hot enough that you are going to have to worry about it cooling down on a countertop or anything. If you had one of those silicone, like, trivets, you could put it on that probably. Or if you had one of those silicone sleeves that you put your hot tools in, you could pop it in there. But I may plug this back in and straighten this side a little bit now, but I may not. So, my review on this, I mean, obviously I've only plugged it in for 8 entire minutes now. So far, thumbs up. If you're looking for a straightener comb, this one's not bad for, what I say, $12.39. So, that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next Temu haul. I have 2 sponsored ones coming. One was like curvy clothing. I did order a couple of bras to try out and just a couple of different tops and some like stretchy shorts. I didn't order much because I don't really need a lot of clothing, but I wanted to look at one of those campaigns. I've been seeing other people haul bras and they do really well, but after I watched a couple more from them this week, the same people, they actually discussed their cup sizes and stuff, and now I'm thinking they're probably not going to work for me, but we'll see when that arrives. And then I have another small crafty stuff sponsored haul coming because they did re-release the craft category to me for June, so yay. But yeah, that's really it. I'll see you next time.